Well, there is one restaurant in New York City that's name is synonymous with the city, and that is none other than Tavern on the Green in Central Park. The iconic restaurant is featured in countless movies, and it is celebrating its 90th anniversary and its 10th anniversary under new ownership.
Yes, we're here to share some of the delicious dishes at Tavern on the Green, and to tell us how we can enjoy them for Restaurant Week is Chef Bill Peet. So welcome, Chef. Great to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
90 years.
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think that has given it such staying power here in the city?
It's just such an iconic restaurant. It's in the oasis of Central Park. It's away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
Yeah.
It's great.
I mean, Tavern on the Green was originally built as a sheepfold for the sheep that would go out and graze literally in sheep's meadow. Then obviously became a restaurant. What is it like? What are the changes that you've seen over the past 10 years under the new ownership?
Well, they actually renovated it, total renovation. They took down the Crystal Room. It's the original footprint of what it used to be. I was the chef at Cafe des Artistes years ago, so I know what it looked like, and it was big, and I think it looks great now.
Yeah, it looks
better.
Beautiful. Yeah. I mean, but talk about the menu though. How much has changed and how much has stayed the same?
Pretty much everything has changed. Like I said, I'm in New York over 40 years. Fine dining for most of that. So, you know, the food's great. Food is great.
Well, and we're about to prove that. What have you brought with you today? Everybody was eyeing up the lobster mac and cheese. Everybody was like, what is that?
So I brought some of the items that we make, some are our signature items. We have a roasted fig salad with goat cheese and breggiola. This is a crispy chicken sandwich.
Look at that thing.
Well, it's, people see it and they want it. You know, it's like going through the dining room. It's one piece of chicken that's cut in quarters. And then,
okay.
This is our crab cake, which is different than anyone else's. It's half scallops and half jumbo lump crab. So
Very nice.
It's pretty iconic also. This is an octopus salad that we do with a little orzo underneath. It's very Mediterranean, and it's very soft and delicate.
Is that feta on it?
Yes, feta also.
Oh, that's good.
And a roasted lemon vinaigrette. And then we have the lobster mac and cheese, which we sell a ton of. You know, it's like every table gets one of those.
That's another one of the things about Tavern on the Green is that there really is something for everyone.
Absolutely,
you offer.
Absolutely. We also do a birthday cake. Okay, so it's a confetti birthday cake. Every day we write someone's name on it. Today it's Christian Bale's birthday. It's also FDR's birthday. It's Phil Collins' birthday. So when you get a chunk, and we only cut 8 slices from it, when you get a chunk, you know, the server has something to talk to them about.
Oh, that's cute.
You know, if
I
it's their
that.
birthday, you know, it's Phil Collins' birthday today too.
Oh,
you know,
I love that.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to show us how to make your famous Cobb salad, yeah?
Yes. So, no, it's not the Cobb salad. It's a chopped vegetable salad.
The chopped salad. My
so how this came about was I've worked many restaurants, and at lunchtime, everyone would send their salad back to the kitchen to chop up so they could just sit and talk and eat.
Okay.
So it got so messy in the kitchen, I started just doing a chopped vegetable salad. There's no greens, but it's all vegetables.
I love that.
So, but let me just show you the, this is the vinaigrette, okay? So it's, and it's easy to do in a jar like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So there's a little bit of mustard there. What did you put in first?
Chopped capers.
Oh, I love capers.
Mustard, sherry vinegar.
Okay.
And there's a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
Now what we'll do, a little bit of salt.
A little twist of the pepper.
Yeah, a little pepper. And we shake this up so it's easy to do at home too. Okay.
We want to make sure we don't run out of time here. So
okay. So it's tomatoes.
Okay.
Yep.
A little bit of radish. This is fingerling potatoes.
Okay.
Jicama.
Jicama.
Okay, a little jicama. Well, you need that crunch.
Yeah.
We have
I love
corn.
crunch in my salad.
Roasted red onion or Bermuda onion.
Okay.
Asparagus. We do a little bit of shaved carrot.
Nice.
Haricot vert.
Okay.
and butternut squash, okay?
I love how colorful it is, too.
Yes.
Too. It's also really like seasonally right now with that butternut squash and that jicama really on point.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so then we'll do a little lemon zest in on top also.
Oh, yes, we
Nice.
will.
Okay.
For a little flavor. And we also have avocado that we put in.
Oh,
So
yum.
that adds the little bit of fat that we need.
Wonderful.
Okay?
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for sharing this great recipe.
All right, Chef is going to dress that out, and we are going to remind you that you could do yourself a favor because Tavern on the Green came to us, but you've got to go to Tavern on the
Yes.
Green. If you've never been, and even if you have, they are participating in Restaurant Week until February 9th with a $45 pre-fixed lunch and a $60 pre-fee dinner out there. So go to tavernonthegreen.com for more information.
Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. It
Okay.
smells divine.
So the